Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the country of residence on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Google account you want to use. If you are signing in for the first time, you may be asked to enter your email address. Enter your password and click Next. You are logged into your YouTube account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Click on YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Settings. Click on Channels. Under the Basic Info tab, click on the drop-down menu that says Country of Residence. Select your country of residence. Click Save. That's it, your country of residence has been changed. This is how you can change the country of residence on YouTube. Thank you for watching.